Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we discuss about request and response in real-time scenario. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser and then navigate to the google.com, right? And then open our inspect window, Control Shift and I. And after that, we are trying to search like web API, right? Click on enter. So after that, go to the network tab and then fetch HRF, right? So here we can see uh, what are the request and what are the response, right? So in request, these are the request URL, right? These are the request URL. Method is get because we are getting some information, and status code is okay, means we are getting successfully response from the Google, right? And these are the request header and these are the response header. In payload, there are query string. In query string, click on view source. In view source, you can see that we are searching web API, right, from desktop. These are the query string parameter which API required that parameter to send the responses, right? So these are the query string and these are the response which we receive from Google, right? And these are the payload we are already talking about, and these are the responses from the Google. So that's it.